Hello everyone, so this will be a short video and I will show you how you can extend your trial license on your XenServer 8.4. It's very easy. So of course this is only for your home lab because in production you will have a license. Nevertheless, if for example you will only have 10 days until your entire pool will have its license expired, don't bother reinstalling. If you have all your VMs on NFS, the easiest way to refresh the trial edition is to just take one member out of the pool. So we just tell this one he should go out, and after it reboots we will add him back and we will see what happened to the license. From my experience it will go back to 89 days, but let's see it live. So wait a second, it's now rebooting because we took it out of the pool. It does take a little bit. Let me pause the video. Okay, so it took 2 or 3 minutes to restart. He's back on. Let's try to connect to it, and voila, we have 89 days remaining, and the only thing that we have to do is to join it back to the pool, and it should keep that. Oh yes, of course, it needs because my pool is AD joined, we need to join it to the domain before we join it to the pool, but we can do that. Come on. Domain. Could not enable XenServer. Why not? Let's see, 1 second. I want to check my AD account. Okay, I have no restrictions. Let me try one more time. Oh yeah, my bad here. If I typed the domain there, I don't need the domain one more time. Okay, so we're back in business, and now let's join the pool. Yes. And like magic, we have 89 days remaining. And from this point on, It's simple. If you have 3 Xen servers in your home lab in your pool, promote this one to be the new pool master. I don't even know if we can do that from here. I just know it from the command line. Yeah, nevertheless, I don't really need to show you that. But let's actually do it. Let's stop those VMs. Because I don't have sufficient memory. And let's connect to the pool master. As a root, of course. And XE designate oh, I forgot the command. XE designate new pool master from what the command. 1 second, I need to remember. Okay, so no, it's not with XE, it's with pool. Yeah, I didn't use this in a long time. I forgot it. Pool designate. No, pool secret. Pool. Come on. Pool secret. Okay, pool designate pool master. Let's see what we have here. Host UID. Okay. So let's see the host list. And we should filter for host equal XenServer 8. What? No way. Unknown field. Host name. Okay, and we need the UID, and now again XE designate pool designate pool master UID host UID, and we give it the new UID. Now the roles should change. You just need to wait a little bit. Okay. I don't remember if they will reboot or not. No. Let me reconnect. Yes. Okay. 89, 73. And now let's remove him from the full, the 02. We need to wait a little bit because this will reboot. Okay, so the reboot is done. Let's try to connect. Okay, and again we have to join it back to the domain because it will not work if we want to join it to the pool. Okay, so add server. Okay, let's wait for the tool stack. So we are at 89, so it's like we have a fresh install. And now again, let's change the pool master. Host, let's say host, double tab, host name. Name is this time it's 02. Okay, we have the UID, and now it's a designate. It's something else. If I remembered the commands, the second time it's easier. So this is the key of learning and being successful, is to repeat all the time. But yeah, this is the ideal way. So what do I need here? Post UID, and let's promote 02. And the important thing will be to see if our Citrix connection to this pool is still working after this workarounds. So as you can see, both hosts are back at 89 days, so we are back in business. But let's see what our Citrix says about that. Let's give it a refresh. So this is the connection. Test the connection. Okay, and if we also see the machine state, power state. Okay, on, off, on, off. What do we have there? Let's start one. VDA 02, start. Yep. Will it start? Yep. So everything is working, no issues, except the ones that we tried to add it to the domain and we forgot to remove the domain before the username, but everything else works and we are back to 89 days. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of videos.